It is not in the interest of Goan taxi drivers. Will you scrap the existing whatever you have taken down?
Speaker, sir,
New policy is secondary.
क्लियर कट सांगता डिजिटल
जे आज ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन खरें गोंयान प्रॉब्लेम आसा बिकॉज ऑफ द सायज ऑफ गोवा आनी हे जे म्हणटा जे ट्रीप मेळना ऑटोमॅटीक तांकां ट्रीप मेळपाक लागतल्यो पूण ते एपाचेर येवपाक सोदना सो लोकांनी कशी टॅक्सी ऑर्डर करपाची आदले सिस्टम फाटी वचपाचे गव्हर्नमेंट हियर हॅज टू टेक द डिसिजन what is good for the people of Goa, what is good for tourism, what is good for the state. That income tax will be collected from all active drivers on each trip. This will happen if you get a digital platform, even if it is common here, only 2 operators are there. What they don't want is to, Speaker sir, tenka naka, amka kodlale sarkara.
Speaker sir,
you will be surprised the quantum of business that taxis generate in Goa. They don't want to come because they don't want to be accountable. That is the thing.
Speaker sir,
let me complete. Speaker sir, you sit down.
Chief Minister,
Speaker sir, I am on my way.
8 महिने pending होला.
NOP.
He scrap कर, he किधर बोला?
तू boss करे.
Will you scrap it? If you are doing new policy, scrap
स्पीकर
it.
सर एकूच मिनिट
जे आज ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन खरें गोंयान प्रॉब्लेम आसा बिकॉज ऑफ द सायज ऑफ गोवा आनी हे जे म्हणटा जे ट्रीप मेळना ऑटोमॅटीक तांकां ट्रीप मेळपाक लागतल्यो पूण ते एपाचेर येवपाक सोदना सो लोकांनी कशी टॅक्सी ऑर्डर करपाची आदले सिस्टम फाटी वचपाचे ओके थोडे कडेन युजींग टॅक्नॉलॉजी हांव सांगता ते आयक मरे युजींग टॅक्नॉलॉजी जिओ फेन्सिंग तरी करपा जाय ते वॉट यू से यू कॅन डू दॅट ऑन द ॲप इटसेल्फ उमकी एरिया वचपाक मेळना हांव जाणा I have put myself in their shoes sometimes to understand the problem. You have to think you are a taxi driver. Why are they agitating so much? आधी जेन्ना हॉटेलां आयलीं चड करून साऊथ गोवा तांकां उतर दिलें हें स्टँडार फकत तुमची टॅक्सी आसतली तेन्ना थोडेचशे लोक येताले तेच हॉटेलां सारके वेवस्थीतपणे सगळें जातालें आज हॉटेलां जालीं कितलीं आज गोंयांत ग्रोथ कितली जाली कितले टुरिस्ट येता आमी तरी 18 लाख आसा 1 करोड सुमार आमचे टुरिस्ट येता सो सगळो बदल जाल्लो आसा सो डू यू नॉट नीड टू यूज टेक्नॉलॉजी टू मेक इट मोर कन्विनियंट फॉर लोकल पीपल एज वेल एज फॉर टुरिस्ट हे तेणी चिंतपाची गरज आसा बेश्टे ते टॅक्सीवाले येता म्हूण तेंचे आयकोन एक भुरगे तरी इस्कॉला वयता आनी रडटा ल्हान भुरगे म्हाका इस्कॉला वचपा नाका वचपा ना that time parents have to take a decision government here has to take the decision what is good for the people of Goa what is good for tourism what is good for the state मुकडे सगळे आंकडे हा स्पीकर सर even Goa Miles which is operating at 20% less कितले income revenue आसा मुद्दम सोबतच्या आधी हे relevant here
अरे ये 15 मिनिटे उलयले मत म्हाका इंसान दी तो डायव्हर्ट सुद्धा
मातशे बोस मागीर तुका प्रश्न विचारपाक गरज पडपा हांव आन्सर केल्यार तुका हांवें उलोवपाक दिलें तुवें व्हडलें लांब भाशण दिल्लें स्पीकर सर मुद्दम सांगता इन इयर 2018-19 स्टार्ट जालें तेन्ना GST जे फारीक करताले and these are only 2000 taxis was 39.9 lakhs and in this year 25-26 4.25 crore GST फारीक करता total turnover 89.35 crore and from 2018-19 25-26 it is turnover of 307 crore only one Goa Miles which is one platform therefore if you include all the taxis imagine how much revenue you are actually losing nothing is accounted dusre muddam sangta inga income of beneficiaries this is real time figures their income used to be around 15,000 20,000 taxi fellows since they are using app and I can give you the names जे म्हणटा सगळे भायले हांवें फुल लिस्ट हाडला सगळे गोंयकार जावन आसा गोंयचो टॅक्सी पात्रांव स्कीम
दुसरे
लेट मी स्पीक
मुखारान उलोवपा ना
let me speak अरे
13 मिनिटां
I am quoting this so that he has information enough information आयकपाकूच रेडी ना
अरे इतले आयकिले मरे
परिस्थिती आसपा जाय
इतले आयकिले
लीडर ऑफ पोजिशन ऑपोजिशन म्हणून फक्त उलयत रावप न्हू सगळे विशयाचेर उलयत राव दुसरे आनी उलोवप ना स्पीकर सर हांव मुद्दम सांगता मोर देन 1.2 crore passengers travel local people travel this is a real fact हे आमकडे डेटा आसा that means 15% of our population are using Goa Miles दुसरे तेंकडे वेगळे वेगळे स्कीम आसा ते हांव तुका जाय जाल्यार मागीर सांगता then out of 2000 drivers if their income exceeds 5 lakhs more than Starting from financial year 20, more than 2,000 taxi drivers will now contribute income tax on every trip they perform through Goa Miles platform. This means that income tax will be collected from all active drivers on each trip. This will happen if you get a digital platform, even if it is common here, only 2 operators are there. What they don't want is to, Speaker sir, tenka naka, amka kodlale sarkara.
Speaker sir,
You will be surprised the quantum of business that taxis generate in Goa. They don't want to come because they don't want to be accountable. That is the thing.
Sir,
But luckily, Speaker sir, luckily in the last meeting, I also want to compliment the taxi drivers. They were quite positive. Change ahlo. They want to cooperate with the government. I want to tell them. I have reached out to them. I will reach out further. We are also willing to cooperate. Let this committee, which I have appointed, 5-member committee, let them give the report and finding. And then if they have better suggestions other than the findings of the committee, leader of opposition or leader of position and other people can give, we will incorporate them. What is the problem, Speaker sir?
Speaker sir, मंत्र्यान खूब इतली भाषण दिले. आता specifically what question I had asked, एजेर उत्तर ना. I had asked you specifically on
What you have asked?
whether the whether the aggregators set these demand patterns, whether algorithms decide the income, will these independent taxi stands survive? हे जे काय उलयला ना. आता Speaker sir, आता ये problem, जेन्ना problem start झाले when Rule 140 was exempted. Rule 140 when it was exempted, Speaker sir, एक साइडीन आमचे गोंयकार टॅक्सी भावांक तुम्ही मीटर इन्स्टॉल करपाक लायले आनी दुसऱ्याक ऍप बेस जे पडे आहा तांकां मीटर घालपाचे एक बंदी ना. हेजेर एक 2 टायर सिस्टम क्रिएट केलो, बेसिकली डिसएडवांटेज टू द गोवन टॅक्सी ऑपरेटर्स. And Speaker sir, जेन्ना मंत्रीलो जेन्ना आन्सर चयल्यार, he says this is a measure to support Goan taxi operators as or by introducing this rule 140. Speaker sir, गृह मंत्री उलयलो about भारत टॅक्सी ऍप. आम्ही प्रश्न केलो की आणि गृह मंत्री उलयलो की काश्मीर ते कन्याकुमारी ही सुरुवात जातली मग भारत टॅक्सी ऍप. Answeran, department doesn't know anything. It is unaware. About, we asked whether you communicated to them. You have given absolutely nothing. This shows the disconnect. Anna, Speaker sir, त्या meeting जेन्ना तेमी ते टॅक्सी भाव उलयले about implementing point-to-point fare with revised rates as per 2014. हेजेर सरकाराचे टेक कितें? Speaker sir, basic question. Anna, हे जे तुम्ही ड्राफ्ट गोवा ट्रान्सपोर्ट एग्रीगेटर गाईडलाईन 2025 जेन्ना तुम्ही पब्लिश केलं त्या वेळार तुम्ही ऑब्जेक्शन आणि सपोर्टार तुम्ही लोकां मुखार गायले. त्या टायमार स्पीकर सर 3,802 ऑब्जेक्शन्स that they do not want it and only 290 letters of support. You all put it out in the market. The people of Goa had to decide. The taxi people had to decide. That means 3,802 objections were put, 290 were in support. म्हणजे 93% opposition rate. हे पोट मोठा opposition of position. हे opposition सगळे घेन ruling. हिंगा कितले आमदार आहे? कितले आमदार उलयले हे aggregator app नाका म्हणून. आता your reply says your guidelines are still in draft. They are still in consideration, still under examination. 8 महिने झाले स्पीकर सर. पहिले मिटिंगेक मुखेलमंत्री सगळ्यांनी आमकां आपयल्ले. आता 8 महिने झाले. 9 महिन्यान कितें जाता हांव खबर आहा. आमकां कितें ऑपोजिशन एमएलए बाल्तिमा आपोवपा आहाय. पयर मिटिंग जाली ती कितें आपयलें ना? आमकां केन्ना आपयलें? Why were we kept away? Why were we not informed about the meeting? Are you all waiting for Baltim after 9 months? Or why were 8 months have happened? 8 months. Speaker sir, why were we not called for that meeting? You all are putting allegations the same way that you all are saying that taxi are mafia dogni keli. Why were we not called as elected representatives? Why was this type of treatment done to us? Not a single coastal MLA, only ruling MLAs were called. Taxis are not there in other coastal areas. Speaker sir, it is very, very simple. 3,802
ठीक आहे
objections.
सर हांव एकूच आन्सर
ना, ना,
एकूच
ना, ना, ना,
एक
दोतोर,
मिनिट
दोतोर, एक मिनिट,
ठीक आहे सर आम्ही जी मिटींग कालची घेतली डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी हाजे त्यांचे पयलीं आयकोन घेवपाचें हाज्या खातीर हांव
हेच्या हुणे
एक
हेच्या-
मिनिट
ना, 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 एक मिनिट,
तू कंटिन्यू कर
CM,
तू कंटिन्यू कर तू कंटिन्यू कर
Last time you called us.
तू कंटिन्यू कर हांव एक सांगता स्पीकर सर हांव ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर आणि टुरिझम मिनिस्टर फक्त एकटोच म्हणजे बिंग अ स्टेक होल्डराच्या वतीन सदां
माय दुसरे स्टेक होल्डर नाही दुसरे स्टेक होल्डर नाही
त्यांना पयलीं आयकून घेवचें डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी पयलीं फायनलायज करचें आणि मागीर तांकां सांगचें
Speaker sir.
हाजो विशय आशिल्लो
ना स्पीकर सर very simple.
Speaker sir,
This
एकूच हांव
speaker
त्याचा
sir, no, no,
प्रश्न
sit,
विचारता.
I'm on my
एक
feet.
minute, Speaker
I'm on
sir.
my feet. Let me
Whether
tell
he
you.
wants a-
Speaker
whether
sir,
he wants
I
a
am on my
digital
feet. Please
platform
ask
or
him to
not.
sit down.
Is
Please
it,
ask him to sit down.
it is his
8
his
महिने
stand
रावले.
that he does
8
not want
महिने
a
रावले.
digital platform.
मंत्री
Make that clear.
invitation
मागीर
दिवपा, मुखार
तुका
चला. Speaker sir.
digitization जाय काय नाका डिजिटल प्लॅटफॉर्म जाय काय नाका
Sir,
ऍप
I
जाय काय
am
नाका ते
very
आन्सर
clear.
करूया सर
एकूच क्वेश्चन तुम्ही एकूच
Speaker
क्वेश्चन
Speaker
एकूच
sir.
क्वेश्चन
अरे,
20
stand
मिनिट
clear
डिस्कस
करू
केलो
रे. Stand तुझं clear कर.
stand clear कर मो ये ना हिंगा very simple.
Ask your conscience
Why-
whether it is good
why-
for Goa,
Speaker
whether
sir,
you want a app-based taxi,
when
whether you want this or not.
Yuri Bab,
3,008
एकूच क्वेश्चन तुम्ही तिथलं 22 मिनिट डिस्कस केलो
बाकीच्या भटकायले म्हणून जावपा ना.
Pointed question when 3,802 objections are there when you put it in public domain. Only that is 93% say they do not want this aggregator scrap. Will you? It is your duty. It is your duty to scrap this aggregator guideline. Scrap. Will you scrap this current J42 aggregator? Ada 8 point J42 This.
Speaker sir, wait, I'll answer you. Please sit down. Sit down. Boss mare. Boss माशे boss नहीं. सुशेग गया मरे माशे. Speaker sir, when this committee has been formed after listening to all the stakeholders, we had this meeting. Once their report comes, Honorable Chief Minister will call another meeting. Never mind if it takes time. We will call them also. I'm sure Honorable Chief Minister will call them. We don't want to keep anybody out. And then what is practical, when a new policy comes, those are only draft
No,
guidelines.
Speaker sir.
Okay, now,
This is
let
not the
me
answer.
complete.
No,
Speaker sir, you sit down there.
Chief Minister should
Speaker
give
sir,
us
I'm
an
on my
answer.
way.
Will you scrap it? 8
What is
महिने
this?
pending दोला. तू
LOP.
त्यांनी
LOP.
ही scrap कर. ही कित्याक दोला?
Boss रे, तू boss रे.
Will you scrap it? If you are doing new policy, scrap
स्पीकर
it.
सर एकूच मिनिट स्पीकर सर जेन्ना त्यांच्याकडे नवीन डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसीचे डिस्कशन सुरू जालां तांच्याकडे तेजे आता ऑलरेडी कंटिन्युअस मिटिंग्स घेता नवीन डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी येतली तेन्ना ते स्क्रॅप जातलो
ना 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 ते
Automatic
pending
scrap.
कित्याक
That is
दोला?
That is not a policy, that is only a draft.
It is
इतलें तुका
a
समजना?
draft.
तीन
It is a
हजार
draft.
आठशी objection
ताका इतलें
scrap करतो
समजना,
ना
that
ते
it was only a
उलयले.
draft.
It
We
is a
have been
draft.
saying all throughout.
Acceptable.
Or he is misguiding
He
the
has
house,
sent to
trying to
state
misguide the
transport
house and others
authority.
as well.
Is that acceptable?
It
It
is
is
a
only a
8
draft.
महिने कित्याक दोला 9 महिन्याक रावले ही
It is only a draft. It will take even more time.
Baltima आपयतले
For your
9
information, it
महिन्यानंतर
will take
आपयतले.
even more time. We don't want to
Victor,
force.
we
Speaker
want-
sir,
I want an assurance
we don't
from the
want to
Honorable
force
Chief
anything
Minister
down the throat
that
of even
the
taxi people.
existing
We want to
taxi
make them.
aggregator policy will be scrapped. It is not in the interest of Goan taxi drivers. Will you scrap the existing whatever you have taken down?
Speaker, sir,
New
आता
policy secondary.
क्लियर
तेव्हा
कट
घेऊया.
सांगता डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी फायनलाइज जाली काय अबेन्सान असलेले इट इज ऑटोमॅटिकली स्क्रॅप
Yeah.
Automatically ते जाईना स्पीकर सर ते
नवीन
जाईना
पॉलिसी आयली नवीन पॉलिसी आयली काय आम्ही जे अबेन्स दवरला ते आम्ही परत
स्पीकर
काडटले.
सर 8 महिने झाले आता 8 महिन्यात 9 महिने क्रिएशन जातले बाल्टीन जातलो स्पीकर सर आमकां
बाल्टीन
कोमिन्या
कोणाचो
दाखयता.
जातलो ते म्हाका खबर ना,
हे
स्पीकर
तुम्ही
सर.
स्क्रॅप करतले
ओके.
काय कितें
स्पीकर सर
ही पॉलिसी तुम्ही स्क्रॅप करतले काय कितें यू हॅव
स्पीकर
टू
सर
स्क्रॅप
ताका क्लियर कट सांगता हांव डिजिटल टॅक्सी पॉलिसी फायनलाइज जाली काय तो अबेन्स आसा पळय न्ही दॅट इज एन ऑटोमॅटिकली स्क्रॅप
हे केसो उतर तुगेले आज सद्या की 8 महिने सो व्हेन विल यू कम व्हेन विल यू डिसाइड ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर नॉट कॉलिंग अस यू
Speaker,
प्लीज
sir.
गिव अस एन अश्योरन्स
Clearly सांगला.
What assurance you have given? You have not given any assurance.
I clear केला.
not given any
Finalization will call all the stakeholders and including the concerned MLAs.
Speaker sir.
आपोल ते बरे
दुसरे-
स्क्रॅप करतलो काय कितें
Speaker sir.
करतलो म्हणून सांगले
एका-
आनी कशें सांगप तुका
स्क्रॅप करतलो
सांगले मरे न्यू पॉलिसी फायनल झाल्या उपरांत ती
पॉलिसी
step जातली म्हणून.
ऑटोमॅटिक केले मरे
आणि कितें तर
कितें उलयता?
हे
इतले तुका
30,800
समजना?
ऍप्लिकेशन
Personally
ऑब्जेक्शन
drop
व्हायला
करता.
आहे हे आज स्क्रॅप कर
ए, बसा
अरे
तुका हे
नवीन
समजना?
पॉलिसी आहे, तिथे ते scrap जातलं मरे.
पॉलिसी मागीर फोडणे आहात स्पीकर सर स्पीकर सर जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री
सर,
म्हणटा
ते
न्यू
दुसरे
पॉलिसी हाडपाक सोदता
3000
एक्झिस्टिंग स्क्रॅप
objection
कर
येयले. एक प्रुडंट मिडिया
Then it is in abeyance.
हे घेतले पोल घेतलो 94% ऑफ लोकल पीपल सपोर्टेड ऍप बेस्ड टॅक्सी इट इज ऑफिशियल
Speaker sir, objection on the taxi aggregation, 3,802.
हा विषय सोपया.
93%
स्टार क्वेश्चन
objective.
नंबर 1 स्टार क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 Abrodol.
Question about